Alright, here's how to make a bee pretty quickly. Alright, so we start a sketch, got it on the front face. Click the check mark and then rotate your cube so you're looking at it. Now I'm going to try and use the automatic constraints as much as possible. So I'm going to take my rectangle tool and I'm going to find the top corner. I'm also going to go and find the midpoint, so it's that little box, and now it'll lock in there. Then I'm going to find the midpoint here as well. And when I go out here, it will lock in. If you look at the dimensions at the top, it's 1 and 1. So I click there. I'm going to start my other one here, and I'm just going to do the whole box because one side always has to be 2 inches. So now I've got the outline of the bee. Now I'm going to go and just make a rectangle in here, and we'll dimension this in a second. I'm also, when I do this, I'm going to find that line, because then when I dimension this, I'm going to click on this line and this line. I'm just choosing a nice number too. You guys don't have to use these numbers, but I put that in and both moved. So I have less that I have to dimension when I do it this way. I click on those two lines, 0.25. I want the distance from this line to this line to be 0.25, so I click on the two lines, move it over, click again to place it, 0.25. Click on this line, move it up, click to place it, 0.25. This line, move it up, click to place it, 0.25. Got a couple more blue lines, so I just got to finish that. So now we're all dimensioned. Okay, maybe I just want to be a little tricky. So I'm just going to add a little diagonal part there. And I can actually dimension this. I can do the angle over here and here. And I can do 45 degrees and that will change the angle. Okay, so now I'm going to extrude this. So I end my sketch, choose extrude. I like to go to a 3D view so I can see more of what I'm doing. So I'm going to choose the parts that I want to remove. So I've clicked all the parts that I want to cut away. I choose remove, drag that arrow all the way back, and there is my bee. Alright, hope this helps.